In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Stripe for ACH payments. Setting up ACH payments on Stripe is a great way to manage direct debit transactions, especially if you're dealing with customers in the United States. It offers a reliable and efficient payment processing solution. So, let's dive into the setup process. First things first, head over to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. It usually stands out in the top right corner, so go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can access your Stripe account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but for those of you who are existing users, simply enter your email and password, confirm everything is correct, then click Sign In. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all Stripe related activities. From here, navigate to the home page. Once you're comfortably on the home page, your next stop is the settings. The settings button is quite easy to find, often represented by a gear icon. Give it a click and you'll be taken to a new menu. In the settings menu, look for the payments section under product settings. This is where you control the various methods through which customers can pay. Click on the payments tab, then you need to look for the payment methods option. This section lists all the available payment solutions you can implement. Now scroll down through the list until you find ACH Direct Debit. Setting up ACH Direct Debit is just at your fingertips now. When you spot the ACH Direct Debit option, you will see a toggle switch next to it. Slide it to turn it on and activate ACH as a payment method for your account. This action essentially enables your platform to accept ACH payments from your customers. Be sure to double check to ensure that it is properly activated. And there you have it, a straightforward process to get you started with ACH payments on Stripe. This solution will broaden your payment options and offer a seamless experience for your clients. Make sure to stay informed about any additional details or verifications Stripe might require down the line, and you're all set. Thanks for tuning in, and if you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe support. They are always available to help you with your payment needs. Happy transacting!